Thinking about buying a Tesla? It's like stepping into the future, isn't it? But before you do, here are 5 considerations to ponder. Tesla, the name that has become synonymous with electric vehicles, is gaining popularity like wildfire. As we witness a significant shift towards sustainable transportation, it's crucial not just to follow the trend, but to understand it. This video will delve into the 5 key considerations that should be on your radar when planning to buy a Tesla. The price, charging infrastructure, battery life, maintenance, and the famous autopilot feature. We'll unpack these topics, providing you with a comprehensive understanding that goes beyond the glossy exterior and impressive speed statistics. Remember, as exciting as it is to consider owning a Tesla, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. As Morpheus said in The Matrix, "I can only show you the door. You're the one that has to walk through it." So let's walk through these considerations together. First things first, the price. Tesla cars are luxury vehicles that come with a luxury price tag. The Tesla lineup ranges from the more accessible Model 3, with a starting price in the mid-30,000s, to the high-end Roadster, which will set you back over $250,000. But don't let the sticker shock deter you. Financing options can make these futuristic vehicles more attainable than you might think. Plus, various incentives, such as federal tax credits and state rebates, can help offset the cost. It's also worth considering the long-term savings. With a Tesla, you're trading gasoline for electricity, which can result in significant fuel savings over time. And let's not forget the lower maintenance costs. No oil changes, no spark plug replacements, no timing belt concerns. Remember, as Gordon Gekko said in Wall Street, "The most valuable commodity I know of is information." So think about the price before you make the leap. Next up, the charging infrastructure. How easy is it to keep your Tesla juiced up? Let's delve into it. Tesla's supercharger network is a game changer. Picture this, you're on a road trip and your Tesla guides you to the nearest supercharger station. These stations are strategically located near amenities like restaurants and shopping centers, and can charge your Tesla at super speed. However, most Tesla owners prefer to charge their vehicles at home, just like you charge your smartphone. Tesla provides home charging equipment that can be installed in your garage, so you can wake up to a fully charged car every morning. The average range of Tesla models is impressive, often surpassing 250 miles on a single charge. However, the current state of charging infrastructure varies globally. Some areas are teeming with superchargers, while others are still catching up. It's like the line from Field of Dreams, "If you build it, they will come." Tesla's working on it, but make sure you're comfortable with the current situation. Let's move on to the battery life. How long can a Tesla run before it needs a recharge? Well, the longevity of Tesla batteries is quite impressive. Most Teslas come with an 8-year or 100,000 mile battery warranty, but what happens when they need to be replaced? Tesla has designed its batteries to last between 300,000 and 500,000 miles, so the chances of needing a replacement within the warranty period are slim. The future of Tesla's battery technology is also worth considering. Just like in The Matrix, where Neo sees the world in code, Tesla sees the future in batteries. The company is continuously innovating, pushing the envelope of what's possible. The latest advancements promise longer range, faster charging, and greater longevity. But remember, as Morpheus said, there's a difference between knowing the path and walking the path. It's important to consider your driving habits and requirements. Just like Tony Stark said to Jarvis in Iron Man, sometimes you gotta run before you can walk. Battery technology is rapidly improving, but consider if it meets your needs today. Now let's talk maintenance. What does it take to keep a Tesla in top shape? When it comes to electric vehicles, lower maintenance requirements are a big selling point. You won't have to worry about oil changes, timing belts, or spark plugs. Tesla has done a remarkable job in developing a robust service network. Picture a scene from Batman. It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me. Just like Batman, it's not what's underneath the hood of a Tesla, but how it performs that truly matters. One important consideration is the availability of parts. Although Tesla is making strides in this area, availability can sometimes be a challenge, especially in less populated areas. Remember the line from Jurassic Park, "Life finds a way." Well, Tesla owners often find a way to overcome these minor setbacks. Remember the saying from The Godfather, "It's not personal, Sonny, it's strictly business." Consider the maintenance aspect from a business point of view. Lastly, the autopilot feature. It sounds fancy, but what does it really do? The autopilot feature is like having an extra set of eyes on the road. It's designed to assist with the most burdensome parts of driving and includes features like adaptive cruise control, traffic-aware cruise control, and auto steer. However, it's important to understand its limitations. While the system is incredibly advanced, it's not a substitute for a human driver. You must always keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Safety is paramount, and as the driver, you're responsible for the vehicle at all times. Moreover, the legal considerations vary by region. In some places, using autopilot might not even be legal, so it's essential to check local laws before engaging the autopilot feature. In the words of Dr. Ian Malcolm from Jurassic Park, just because you could doesn't mean you should. Make sure you understand what autopilot can and can't do before you decide. So there you have it, 5 considerations before buying a Tesla. Reflecting on our journey, we've discussed the price, charging infrastructure, battery life, maintenance, and the autopilot feature of a Tesla. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in the overall Tesla experience. Price, while a significant upfront investment, can be offset by the long-term savings in fuel and maintenance. The charging infrastructure, ever expanding, should be examined closely in your local area. Battery life, while impressive, can vary based on factors like driving habits and weather. Maintenance, though less frequent, can be pricey when needed. And lastly, the autopilot feature, while futuristic and convenient, should not replace attentive driving. As with any major purchase, it's essential to do your own research, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision. As the great Morpheus from The Matrix once said, there's a difference between knowing the path and walking the path. Remember, as Obi-Wan Kenobi said in Star Wars, your eyes can deceive you, don't trust them. Trust your research and your judgment. Happy Tesla buying.